Tuesday, January 20th. We got 2 new colors in this beautiful Ella Rae Cuddle, which is a chenille type super bulky yarn. There are 109 yards on each one. They are $10 a ball. So we have 2 patterns. One is from Kathy Schlegel, which is, this is the cowl that she made, but this is done in wool. But when you do it in a super bulky, you get this very cozy, delicious, soft cowl. You knit it flat and then you seam it and it's done. I do believe this took 1 ball, but it could have taken 2. All right. That is one. The Rosy Lace Infinity Cowl by Kathy Schlegel. That's one idea. And then the other one, Sandy did this cute Hippo safety blanket, which I have shown you before. This is a Lion brand, I think, pattern, or no, it's Elsie's Crochet. But she modified it and did this cute Hippo Lovey. I think it takes at least 2 skeins, if not 3, of the gray. And we do have the gray in stock. And we have some peachy pink for all those little extra pieces. So these are great. Again, $10 a ball. We also have Buttercup, I think, or Butter in this yellow. Sorry, it's a little floppy. The yellow, the baby blue, very pale baby blue. And then we just got in the, they call it aloe, this teal, this kind of seafoam green. Very cute things, lots of cuddly things you can make with that, baby blankets, etc., etc., etc. So very cozy and fun. Gosh, we had a bunch of knitters in here today for Ray's Knit Along. People are shopping, they're just working on projects, they're getting ready to take small trips and they need something to do. So what better than to come and get a knitting or a crochet project, right? Riding in the car is the best place to knit. That and flying on a plane or waiting in a doctor's office, all good, all good. Not to mention knitting in here in Bella Filati with your friends and neighbors, right? Also excellent. I think that's all I have for you today. It was a sunny, beautiful day. I'm still happy with this cool weather. Makes me happy. All right, I will see you tomorrow.